Hey guys, it's Anna. Let's unbox the Pixel 10 Pro. The moment that I opened the box, this phone literally took my breath away. I really hope other manufacturers can adopt this look. I appreciate the rounded corners and it just feels nice to hold in the hand. Literally my first thought was, wow, this is an incredible design, and I couldn't believe that Google made the aluminum frame look so good by polishing it. The porcelain color is just so stunning and I think it looks great, especially the color combination on the frame. I also love the matte back glass choice. I think it looks really premium. It feels really nice on the hand. Immediately as I started using the phone to set it up, I realized what I loved about my previous Pixels, and that's the haptic feedback. It's honestly the best I have tested from all the phones I've ever used, and trust me, I've used a lot. I really wanted to try the full experience, so I opted to purchase Google's new Pixelsnap Case. I also grabbed it in the same color as the phone so it would match. It's easy to press on the power button and volume control. I'm really happy with the quality. I think it protects the phone well, although I have not dropped it, so there's that. The cutouts are well placed. The only thing is that I feel like it gets dirty very easily. The case feels like it's made of silicone material, and when compared to my other silicone cases, this one seems to get dirty faster, and I don't think it's due to the color choice because my other ones are also light colored. I picked up a random tempered glass screen protector off of Amazon. It also came with camera protectors that I won't be using, and it was an easy installation process. Everything will be linked in the video or in the description box below in case you're interested. I like the minimal customization, and I love that they're working on adding even more native customization with the recent introduction of Theme Pack, which is great if you prefer not to install third-party apps. This feels like it would be vetted by Google before being part of the Theme Pack store, if you will. I'm actually not sure which direction they're going to take it, but I wish it would be something similar to the Galaxy Theme Store if you've ever used it. They also added this themed icons option that is currently in beta, which is essentially turns the color of the app in your home screen to a color of your choice. The themed icons only change color in the home screen and not in the app drawer. I also noticed that sometimes when I added an app to the home screen, it would disappear after a little while. Overall, I'm really liking the customization features a lot. There's this balance between minimal but just the right amount without being overbearing, and I'm honestly enjoying it. Especially the emoji wallpaper makes it so easy to quickly create your own wallpaper. Or my new favorite that I didn't show here, but you can easily add live wallpaper animations to your own images. I love that so much. I have been using the snow effect on Christmas themed wallpapers. Let me know if you want to see more customization videos of my Pixel. Here's a side-by-side comparison against the iPhone 17 Pro. Let me know which one you think wins down in the comment box below. Okay guys, you have no idea how happy I was when I heard that Google had added magnets to their wireless charger. It just makes it so much more convenient to charge my phone, and I can't wait for other Android manufacturers to also adopt this. I cannot tell you how many times I have woken up to a phone that is not charged because it lost contact with the wireless charger, and thanks to Pixelsnap, I never have to worry about this ever again. My favorite part about this is the screensaver mode that lets you add useful information to the screen while it's charging. And I just hope that in the future they'll allow for third-party widgets or even add more customization options to the screensaver. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.